by liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. I honestly so appreciate it, as my main objective is to empower, to inspire, and to share knowledge with all of you. Also, check me out on Instagram down here. I'll leave the link down below for my profile, where I literally post daily pictures and videos on fashion, makeup, wigs, and all the upcoming videos that I'll be making. With that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here, as well as little bell, so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. 3 totally different wigs with the exact same makeup and outfit on, so you can see how transformative wig life is. So of course I chose a normal wig, the brown. I also chose a trendy wig, the silver. And now today I'm doing a fun wig in blue. I love blue wigs, and so I knew I just had to have it when I saw it. And also I love sassy little bob wigs. So this is like a little bit of everything that I love. And this blue color is honestly gorgeous. Really pretty that came with this cool box. And then something I've never seen before from this company is that all of their wigs from this line, Heraremy, are protein infused, like the hair fibers. Human hair blend, and they actually tell you that it's 50% human hair and 50% synthetic. I've never seen where a company will actually give you the percentages of the blend, and which also means that this is heat safe as well. This has 2 combs right here on the side, and of course it does have light to medium lace right here, and then with that deep parting, as you can see. The root is a black or a 1B. And can we just talk about this blue color? It is like, so it's called like aqua blue, and 100% this is like a summer dream or just fun. Also, this is a 16-inch bob or 16-inch wig, and you can kind of see it's a little bobby, which is my favorite. Okay, so let's put this girl on. I have not done anything to her except cut the lace off, and I haven't even put her on yet. So I have my wig cap in nude, which I got from Amazon. I got a 10-pack for $5.99. I love it. Deal of the century, as I always say. I put my wigs on front to back. She also has a medium cap. Wow, I mean, let's just take a look at this gorgeous aqua dream. Wow, I just love it. It is so cute and so much fun. I do feel like very minimal with the shedding, and honestly what I love most about short wigs, even if a long wig says that is very minimal tangle, that's great, very minimal tangle, but it always will tangle no matter what's gonna happen. It will tangle, and of course shorter wigs, I feel like they honestly never tangle. Let's shift the parting, because you know I love to shift a wig around. So down the middle is great. You know, I'm getting better with down the middle, but of course I love to part a wig on my usual side, which is my left eyebrow. So let's just shift this girl over and see what kind of look she gives. This is very cute. Oh, I do, you know, this could be like a real voguey. Oh my goodness, maybe I'll cut it. Maybe I'll cut it to be like this, because if I have it like this, I'll just honestly just cut this bottom to like just mirror this. I do like it. Oh my gosh. This color is just so amazing. I can't get over it. Okay, so let's shift it on this side. I do really like it on this side too. Man, this is really tough. Like, some people ask me if I do end up cutting the wigs, like if it's from me shifting the part, and generally I don't, because honestly I feel like most times I can't really notice. But if I really do not want to cut the wig, what I'll do is, just like if you had a regular hair with like a fake, if you want to do like a fake bob, I'll just take like some of these longer pieces and I'll just like pin it underneath this wig cap right here, so it would almost just kind of mirror that side, because I do really like it on this side. This is like really cute. Oh my gosh. Like, wigs are your greatest accessory, and knowing how much fun you can have by just putting on a wig, and honestly realizing that like anything is possible, and just have fun. I recommend all of you checking them out. Of course, I have all the links down below for all of these 3 wigs that I did for this lookbook. Of course, reach out to me on Instagram. You know I love to hear from you and see you in your wigs. I love it so much, so thank you so much for reaching out to me. I'm absolutely tickled when I hear from you. Let's just empower everyone to be the best that we can be every single day, because when you're your best person, you're not only doing yourself a favor, but the entire world a favor. It is your right every single day of your life to be as fabulous as you want to be. So if you feel fabulous in this amazing Aqua Sassy Bob wig, wear it. Wear it and love it and rock it out. And I want to thank you all for stopping by, and we will see you soon.